This is yours, huh? You want it?
This is epic.
Dana, can you please get away?
You know who would really enjoy this, Dimitri?
Too cold! Warm up, I tell you.
Philip, hold it over the fire. And don't do that stupid ole ole thing.
Fine, I won't do ole ole. Well, at the same time, he's drinking and you pee in his pants.
Philip, just stay there.
My hand's too hot. I
Go
thought,
around to the other side, see if you can get closer to the other side.
I thought fire was cold.
Wow, Philip, we need to educate you.
This is completely
Son, don't worry about you.
Stop.
He does. Oh, he threw his little Athens shirt and everything. You know what Anadeo is? What's that on? It looks like vultures or something.
I don't know what they are.
I can't see it.
All
Okay.
together.
Yeah, whatever they were, they're pretty big size, whatever they were. I want to show you something, Maria.
Me?
Yep.
Okay.
You can stay right there, I'll show you.
I'll show you the bullet.
Oh boy.
Well, not the bullet, the golf ball we shot.
The golf ball you shot?
I'm gonna show you the target. Too hot. Too cold. Well, first
Are
of
you
all,
really kissing your hot
I have a
dog?
question. How are you going to eat a weenie without the bun?
What was your mama shooting?
Wow.
Yeah.
Except that 8 and 9, and that 9 and 10 I got.
She did good. She did real good.
Burning my leg. It's a doggy. It's burning my leg forever.
I love how you just sang that to the tune of Fame.
Ladybug, you are like slobbering all over. Ladybug, get her off. She's got like a big slobber hanging.
You stinky too. You got gas?
This is burning my leg.
That's you?
I thought that was Dana.
Well, not me.
You better watch her.